Welcome to my WarriorPlus tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use WarriorPlus. So if you don't have a Clickbank account or your account is not getting approval in Clickbank, then WarriorPlus is a good option. And it's better than Clickbank as well as it's better than Digistore 24. And this is giving you amazing marketplace and so many different products. And if you're an affiliate marketing beginner, then this platform convert very well with organic traffic as well as in the paid traffic. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use WarriorPlus, step by step. And if you're first time here, guys, do subscribe my channel Affiliate Conversion, where I'm uploading videos on Monday and Thursday. If these videos are providing you value, do subscribe it, put the bell notification on so that you can watch my videos soon. As well as, guys, smash that like button, guys, because WarriorPlus can definitely help you to make some serious money online. With that said, WarriorPlus is an amazing platform, guys. This is where I started, because there is a lot of promotion out there that, Clickbank is a beginner friendly. But trust me, WarriorPlus product convert very well with organic traffic, okay? And you can make your free account, okay? Just click here and you can see this is just your name, password, email, okay? That's it. You can create your account free and this will bring you here and just log in. So this will be the dashboard. Here you can see all the product which is moving very well today. They have mentioned here the top 10 products, okay? Also you can see yesterday's product which is doing very well, and last 7 days and last 30 days. So whenever you select the product from here, okay, there are so many places from where in WarriorPlus you can select the product, okay? I'm going to show you from where exactly you have to select, but this is also one of the way. You can select here last 7 days, and in the last 7 days these are the product doing very well, okay? And look at the auto profit site and pizza money and this breakout code, okay? Ministry of Freedom by Joan Armstrong, one of my favorite entrepreneur, okay? So you can select from here any of this, because in last 7 days if it is moving very well, then you can also see what is happening with that product, like Ministry of Freedom. Okay, look at this product is moving today also well. That means this is a very good product to promote. And one of the best part what I like, guys, is you can also see the vendor name. Okay, look at the Wiki Babe. Okay, you can see the vendor name, okay, Jono Armstrong. And guys, you can connect with this vendor faster than Clickbank, guys, or Digistore 24 also. For example, guys, if you click any of this, like the Art Flair, very known entrepreneur, he have his YouTube channel also. Look at this is his profile, and you can see all of his product here, okay? And you can see all of his product here as well as his profile, okay? He have his YouTube channel also. And one of the best thing is, guys, click here you can see the top 5 vendor. That means his product is doing very well. He's a top 5 vendor in WarriorPlus, okay? And then super vendor, and then this sign stand for being an affiliate marketer also is a top 5 selling good products, super affiliate. So this is a sign, okay, here. And you can follow this guy, so whenever he introduce some product, you will notify here, okay, in the top, okay? And also you can see the sales he made, okay, and the member is active, and you can also connect with him. Also, I'm going to show you another way of connecting with any of this vendor. So now another way is, guys, the marketplace. If you click here, home, you can see all the product here, okay? All the product is there, 25 all the top performing product you can see over here. So you can select from here and you can see which product is, for example, this product, okay? You can open their sales page from here itself and you can see what is there in their sales page, Look at this, okay? You can see here, okay? So that's there, okay? And that is one of the thing. And then also, guys, here you can see the top products. Now these are the few products, guys, which is moving very well, okay? These are the today's product. Again, the same option you're gonna get to select from this. And then you also have a category wise, guys, how you're selecting in a Clickbank, the category wise in the marketplace of Clickbank. The same thing you can select from here also. For example, like email marketing or like affiliate marketing. So now here you can see all the product over here. You can also see the vendors details here. You can click here, you can go to their profile and check, okay? And also you can see the how the product is doing, okay? So all these things you can do in the marketplace. So the deal of the day, the product which is moving very well and have a lot of contest, it will show you here, okay? That is really not important. So now this is for vendor. If you have your own product, if you're selling the product here as a vendor, owner of the product, then you have this dashboard and completely, so not important here. So now this is your affiliate, okay, dashboard. So if you click here, so this is the dashboard. Here you can see how much you're making today, yesterday, $59.19, and the 7 day 400 dollars like in the last 30 days, right? I made like $2,341. And also you can see the different stats over here. Okay, it will show you the daily hops and sales and earning, all these things. So this is the place you can see all your earnings, the hops you're getting, the product which you're promoting. Okay, so this is the place. And then you can see here you have one more place like offers. So here you can see all the offers. Okay, these are the offers, and one of the best place to select the offer again, and that is here you can see all the offer name as well as the offer vendor name, and right, who are the vendor, right, top 1% and all those things you can see here. And also you can see how many sales they have did. So you can see this product is launched recently and it made 2,000 plus sales. Okay, 3,000 plus sales. And one of the best part is conversion ratios. Okay, 11%, 13%, 22%. Okay, this is one of the best thing you will get in the WarriorPlus. Okay, all those things you can see. And also one of the thing is refund rates. Look at the 2% refund rate, 7%, 0% refund rate. 1,000 plus has been sold. Okay, 13% is the conversion ratio. So this shows this product is recently launched and one of the best to promote the offer. Okay, so now how to get the affiliate link. So you have to select the product, guys, which you want to promote. For example, like Pizza Money, if you open here, this will be like this. Okay, you will get all the information about the product. For example, like the sales page in the top here, as well as, guys, your JV page, which is a tool page, your affiliate tool page. You're going to get all the details about the product, right? How to promote this offer and all those you're going to get here. And you can also see the funnel mapping, which is very important, right? What is the upsell and downsell? It is very clear over here. You can see here, and the product details, what you're going to be there in the front end. For example, front end is $77. That means your commission is 50%, that is $38. Okay, and the downsell, upsell, whatever the prices it is there, and the commission you're going to get, okay, 50%. All these things detail is here, so you have much clarity. And you can see the vendor detail here is a top 5% vendor. And guys, 2,000 plus product has been sold, and 18% conversion rate, which is very good, and only 1% of refund rate. All this detail is here. Okay, so now you have to select here, right? And then you have to send the right request. Your request basically should be, guys, right, how you're going to promote this offer. Okay, and who you are, and more than that, how you're going to promote this. For example, hello sir, requesting for approval, my name is this, and my marketing strategy. Okay, how you're going to promote this offer, give the marketing strategy there itself. Okay, that is enough. And then, right, request offer. Okay, select here, and once you will get approval, you're going to see that, right, like this. Okay, like this, your link will be open. Right now there is no link, right? Once if you get approval, you're gonna see this link. Okay, now you can promote this link. So once to get good approval, guys, send them a good message that how you're gonna promote. Okay, and one of the very important thing which you have to do is, guys, you have to create your awesome profile. For that you have to get into my account here, and now, guys, you have to edit your profile. So this is the place, guys. Once if you send them approval, they will come here and they will see who you are, what kind of experience you have, all this thing you have to submit properly. Okay, all the details, email ID, contact informations. One of the very important thing is, guys, this long bio. Okay, this is the bio. They're gonna spend little time. They want to know, right, who you are and how many years of experience you have, right, what are the traffic source which you're using. All these things they're gonna see here. Okay, so this is very important. And then update your profile. So this is one of the way of, right, sending the approval or getting the approval. Okay, and also one of the way of selecting the product is launch calendar. Click here. So now you can see all the product which is going to launch this right month. Okay, all the product is here, so you can promote any of this product, right, and you can send them the message earlier so that they can approve you. For example, like this product, right, agency press is going to launch in 20, so you can select here, right, and you have to send the approval again, because I already got the approval, that's why my link is popping up here. Okay, so send a good message how you're going to promote. Okay, and then follow that same strategy. Okay, that's how you get the approval of the affiliate links, and you can withdraw the money through PayPal, Stripe, and bank account and all of these things. Okay, so hope you're going to love this tutorials of WarriorPlus. If you love this, smash that like button, guys. Let me know if you want to know something else about this more, and you can comment me down. I will answer you back. Okay, so smash that like button, guys. Keep smiling, stay safe.